What if there's an element so unstable it shouldn't even exist? A substance heavier than anything nature creates. So radioactive, it vanishes in microseconds. And yet, we're building it. Meet Ununennium, element 119. It doesn't occur naturally. We've never seen it. But around the world, teams of scientists are trying to create it atom by atom, in some of the most extreme experiments ever conducted. And if they succeed, they might unlock a new region of the periodic table, a hidden island of stability that could reshape how we understand chemistry, matter, and nuclear physics. Let's explore why element 119 is such a big deal, and why its discovery could be one of the most important in decades. Ununennium, also called ecafrancium, is a hypothetical element at the edge of the periodic table. Its atomic number, 119. That means it has 119 protons in its nucleus, making it the first element in the 8th period, pushing beyond what we know. It's expected to behave like an alkali metal, just like lithium or sodium. But with a twist, its electrons move at near light speed, distorting its properties and making it completely unlike anything we've seen. Because of this, Ununennium isn't just exotic. It could challenge the fundamental rules of how electrons behave in atoms. Here's the problem. Ununennium is so heavy and unstable that it can't form naturally, not even in stars or supernovae. Its nucleus is simply too massive to hold together for long. Any atom of element 119 would likely decay in a matter of milliseconds, if not faster. To create it, scientists have to smash lighter atoms together, usually isotopes of calcium and berkelium, at nearly the speed of light, inside a particle accelerator. And out of trillions of collisions, they hope one will produce a single atom of ununennium. One atom, that's it, and then it disappears. The race is on. In Japan, the Riken Nishina Center has been preparing a decades-long experiment to create element 119 by smashing calcium-48 into curium-248 targets. Meanwhile, Russia, home to past superheavy discoveries, is teaming up with labs in the United States to do the same. So far, no one has confirmed the synthesis of ununennium, but every failed attempt brings us closer. Improving beam stability, refining target composition, and extending detection systems capable of catching an atom that lives for mere microseconds. This isn't just about adding a box to the periodic table. It's a technical and scientific milestone at the limits of what's physically possible. Most superheavy elements are incredibly short-lived, lasting milliseconds at best. But theoretical physicists believe there might be a region of superheavy elements with magic numbers of protons and neutrons, where nuclei are more stable than expected. This region is called the Island of Stability. Element 119 might not live long, but it could point us toward nuclei that do, potentially lasting seconds, hours, or longer. If found, these elements could have unique properties: superconductivity, new types of radioactivity, unknown magnetic states. This isn't chemistry. This is nuclear alchemy, because pushing the periodic table forward tells us something critical: where the limits of matter really are. It tests our nuclear models. It forces updates to quantum theory. And it hints that maybe, just maybe, there's an entire undiscovered domain of matter we haven't touched yet. Every element we've discovered started out as theoretical. Uranium was once myth. So was plutonium. Even the noble gases were once unknown. Ununennium isn't the end, it's a doorway. We often think of the periodic table as complete, static. But the truth is, it's still growing. And the frontiers of element 119 are just the beginning. The fact that we can predict an atom, create it artificially, and detect it before it vanishes is one of the greatest testaments to human intellect. And when we do discover it, Ununennium will remind us that nature is far stranger than we imagined. If you're fascinated by discoveries like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves the strange side of science. Because beyond the edge of the known elements lies a world still waiting to be built.